옥자 식당 알아? 응, 알아. 요즘 인기 많잖아. 나 지난주에 여자친구랑 거기서 점심 먹었어. 어때? 진짜 맛있어? 응, 맛있어. 근데 막 그렇게 맛있진 않아. There are a few things to unpack in this one sentence. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about 막. 막 has several different uses in Korean. For example, 지금 막 도착했어요 means I just arrived. 그 사람은 말을 너무 막 해요 means something like that person speaks too carelessly. But that's not how 막 is being used in this sentence. In everyday conversation, 막 can also be used for emphasis or almost like a filler word. 막 엄청 비싸진 않아요. 지금 여기 사람들 막 사진 찍고 있어요. As you can see, 막 doesn't always have a direct English translation. You can often leave it out without changing the main meaning. It just adds a little emphasis. Now let's talk about 그렇게. 그렇게 can refer to degree and mean that or to that extent. So 그렇게 맛있지는 않아 focuses on the degree and can mean it's not that good, but the exact meaning depends on what was said before. In this dialogue, the speaker first says 맛있어, it's good. Then he adds 근데 막 그렇게 맛있진 않아, but it's not that good. Since he has already said that the food is good, he's not taking that back. He means it's good, just not that good. In other words, he is limiting the degree of how good it is. But imagine this. Someone says 맛있어? And the answer is 막 그렇게 맛있진 않아 without first saying 맛있어. In this context, it can simply mean it's not really that good. It doesn't always mean it's good but not that good. This meaning comes from the context of the dialogue in this video. Even without an earlier statement like 맛있어, emphasis can affect how the sentence is understood. If 그렇게 is emphasized, the focus is on the degree. 그렇게 맛있진 않아. It can suggest it's good, just not that good. But if 맛있진 않아 is emphasized, the focus is more on the negative meaning. 그렇게 맛있진 않아. It can be closer to I wouldn't say it's good. Let me show you some more examples. 지수랑 친해? Are you close with 지수? First, emphasize 그렇게. 막 그렇게 친하진 않아. We're close, just not that close. Now emphasize 친하진 않아. 막 그렇게 친하진 않아. I wouldn't say we're close. 한국어 어려워요? Is Korean difficult? First, emphasize 그렇게. 그렇게 어렵진 않아요. It's difficult, just not that difficult. Now emphasize 어렵진 않아요. 그렇게 어렵진 않아요. I wouldn't say it's difficult. 밖에 추워요? Is it cold outside? First, emphasize 그렇게. 막 그렇게 춥진 않아요. It's cold, just not that cold. Now emphasize 춥진 않아요. 막 그렇게 춥진 않아요. I wouldn't say it's cold. Emphasis can give you a clue, but it's not a fixed rule. Sometimes there may be no clear emphasis at all, so context always matters. As a native Korean speaker, I've noticed that emphasis can often help us understand the meaning, so I wanted to share this with you. I hope this helps. 아, 정말? 그래도 가고 싶어. 웨이팅 너무 길어. 나 거의 1시간 기다렸어. 1시간? 그럼 그냥 안 갈래.